Welcome back to Smurf Gardens. I'm going to show you my indoor gourmet garden. Right here is it's a baffle pretty much. It's made of white plastic so it doesn't look so offensive to neighbors since I live in an apartment. It has a 4-inch and a 6-inch connection. I connected 6-inch tubing or ducting so that all of the air, well, there's a negative pressure inside the tent. Also, I have my kitty. Say hello. This is the electricity all being kept on the outside. Whatever isn't waterproof or outdoor graded. Only thing that isn't is this vent fan, which I'm going to be using temporarily until I get a 6-inch fan. One that's smaller, so hopefully quieter, even though you can hear it, it's only a little bit of a hum. I have it sucking in the bottom air to prevent pooling of the CO2. I have outdoor LED rope lights. They're covering half the garden. I need to get more. I thought I had enough, but I was wrong. But I have it lining the walls every couple feet or every foot or so. Everything's working out well so far. I haven't checked the temperature yet in here. I just turned the air conditioner on. This says it's almost 80, but I just turned it on maybe 20 minutes ago. So it's not going to be cold in this room at all yet, but that's partly why I have the vent fan on, is to suck the air out. Now, let's go look in one of my other closets. In here is what I have going right now besides my fridge. Two 2-liter buckets, or 2-gallon buckets. Sawdust spawn that is brewing. And that is, they're both Golden Oyster. What I have in here is 2 more Golden Oyster, King Trumpet, the rest of my medicine for the summer, and another jar of lion's mane. But the Golden Oyster I plan on putting in every other week, and this week I plan on trying to make another bucket, a 5-gallon bucket for the lion's mane. So all of that will start to go into here within a couple weeks, but what I need to do is, with this humidifier, I need to rise it up so that the high humidity air that's up here will waft down and float down with the CO2 and then get evacuated. So, but the thing is also, the power cord is a little short, so I need to raise it up to about chest height. So I need 3 or 4 milk crates cleaned up to raise that off the ground, which I don't want electricity on the ground anyway. Not that I'm planning on having water pool in here. Namaste. Have a good day. Talk to you all later.